Hey YouTubers, it's UC Weapon back again with another video. It's been a long time, but we'll try and get it done. So this video is all about some stuff I got from the charity shop. I got a couple of bags. I've actually got several bags, but this is going to be part one. This first bag I'm calling the track bag because it contained mostly track and a couple of engines and trucks. So here it is all laid out. Quite a good selection there of just regular sort of pieces. And I'm going to bundle all those up. Bang, there we go. And they're all going to go in my tub for the future. And some other bits that sort of came in that bag as well. We got some sort of random pieces. So here we got like a Tomy wind-up points, a wind-up turntable and some points and some random bits. Some risers and a tunnel with broken tabs. We will try and fix that one day. So yes, that is that part of the bag. And we got some engines and coaches. We got a Annie and Clarabelle. They look like they're from a Talk and Action Thomas, but I could not find the Talk and Action Thomas in the bag, so that's a shame. But always useful for my mods, maybe to run a 3-volt power to something for a light or similar. And we got a Henry with no tender. It's not in bad condition actually. I've got some tenders. And we got a James, which is in poor condition, but the running gear is probably not bad or is serviceable. Face is a bit yellowed. I'm going to do a video on how to de-yellow the faces too, and the plastic, so I'm sure that'll be an interesting one. And we got some trucks, and we've got a Douglas tender. I'm not sure what it is from, if it's from Tomy or it's from Hit, but I could not see any markings. So if you know what it is, let us know in the comments. The plot thickens. Not in bad condition though. Also got that crate. I'm not sure if that goes with a truck or it goes with like a take and action, or what are they called? Take and play? Take along? Or similar? But yes, so there is the underside of the Gordon. Don't know what all those markings mean, but they might mean something to someone. If I can get the camera to focus. But there we go. Not bad. I paid $6 for that bag, and I've had it in my garage for about a year. So yeah, that was good. And I think this was in the bag too, the Wellsworth Station. I think it's battery operated, but I don't have any batteries to test it, so I don't know if it works or not. I did try and switch it on here, as you'll see, but there is no power. So I assume the batteries are either corroded or they are not in there, or they're flat. But yeah, nice piece. I don't have one of those, so that's nice. One of the better looking stations from Trackmaster for sure. I'll be sure to use that on the new layout. So have you guys got ideas that I could incorporate into my new layout? Post it in the comments. I'll be really glad to hear them. So those little people scale really good with that Gordon. This is the second bag. This is a bag I'm calling the riser bag. It's full of risers and track supports. So, and a few other bits and bobs. Some bits of road and some bits of bridges and a couple of bits of Knapford Station from Tomy. It's quite interesting anyway, the selection of things that are in there. I think I see a lorry one, motorized Tomy, and a couple of other things. So here it is all out of the bag. There is some pieces of Knapford, 3 roof sections and 2 supports. And we've got a water tower, and we've got a Terrence thing, which sort of moves when the wheels rotate the rollers. Nice little piece. We've also got some pieces from a Tomy suspension bridge, which I don't have one of those. We've got a Tomy Windmill and some pieces of Tomy Road. So 4 curved pieces, they make 1 circle. And a couple of straights there, some supports, and like a 3-way Tomy Road. A couple of troublesome trucks, and some Trackmaster track supports, risers, depending on what you want to call them. And we've got a lot of Tomy risers for sure. I think we've got about 22 all up. And we've got a lorry, which is a motorised Tomy vehicle. Goes on the road sections. Very nice. And those beige ones, I think they are Trackmaster road supports. So yeah, they're pretty rare. There's a lot of them. So that was a good haul. Not bad at all. I think I paid $4 for that bag. There's some other random stuff that come in the bags. If you know what it is, post it in the comments. Let everyone know. Let me know. Some sort of gun and looks like a boom gate for level crossing. And it wouldn't be a USA weapon video if we didn't do some testing. So let's crack them open and see if they work. Start off with lorry 1. Oh, and we see a problem already. There was an old Eveready in there. They're no good. But otherwise, it looks pretty clean. We'll grab a new battery. Oh, we've got a problem. Oh, the tab has just fallen off in my hand. Corrosion. See, don't leave the batteries in your trains, people, because they will leak and destroy the train or vehicle or toy, whatever you have that runs on batteries. They are no good when the batteries go flat. They just break down and leak. So, no good on lorry. We will get to repairing him one day, because I do like that. So let's have a look at old Gordon. The gears sound good. Freewheeling well. And pop in a C-size battery. And ooh, works very nice. And he hasn't been run for a while, so we'll let him run. In the meantime, I'll talk about liking and subscribing my video, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell, because otherwise how will you know when I'm going to make new videos? It's been a while and this new notification system is weird to me. But anyway, join the notification squad. Also, if you could, visit my Patreon and help support the channel. So he seems to be running really good. No complaints here. And he sounds very decent. Oh, that works well with Terence. That's a nice track piece. So yeah, definitely running well. No complaints here. And don't forget to get over to Blue Plastic Tracks and join up and have a read. Say hello to the guys. Everyone there is enthusiastic about these trains and everything that goes with them. And they got some amazing collections. Really nice group of people. So, yeah, I'm going to leave it there today. Thanks for watching.